Good morning, guys. Let's try this for like the fifth time. I don't know why the video's glitchy. It was fine last night, so somehow the upload to YouTube messed it up. I'm sorry. You guys know the drill by now, so I'm glad to see a lot of you have already started working, but I did want to make the video as always. So it's Thursday, April 23rd. I was so excited to see so many of you yesterday. The parade was so much fun, and the signs were so lovely, and it was just a really special time. And if you weren't able to make it out, I know the PTO has videos going around. I know Taylor's mom took an awesome video that's posted about all the cars. So get a chance, you can ask your parents to find it and check it out. Again, hopefully this isn't something we're doing forever, but I don't know, it was a nice way to get out and see each other. So hopefully the video is working now. You have Treasure's Star of the Week poem. Please work on it if you did not, because it's due tomorrow. And a lot of times, first thing in the morning, friends forget. So please try to finish it today. You have your patterns of power, you have your book of the day, and you have your spelling as always. Science, you're going to Brain Pop. You're clicking there for the link. It's on electrical circuits. You're logging in with the information below. It is correct, so double check how you're spelling things before you ask me or tell me it's not working. And then after that, you're going to read this article called Electric Circuits. It's Google Slide 7 on your electricity worksheet slideshow. If it's all mixed up and jumbled up, here it is. You can either zoom in and read it here or just find it on your Google slideshow. It might be slide 8, it might be slide 12. I don't know why they're all messed up. I'm sorry how that happened. I don't know, but it's right there. So that's the one you need to read. There's nothing that you're writing and submitting today. You're just going to do Brain Pop and read the article. Math, Mrs. Harity is going through the second part of your math test. So that's on Friday, tomorrow. So today is review. Some of you did excellent, some of you didn't do so well, and she went over everything on Monday. So watch the video today, do the practice problems. Let me know if you want to go through the test or if you have help or if you need help, because tomorrow is the second part of your test. Writing about reading, you're going to read Wheels of Change today and tomorrow. But today you're going to do 2 questions, tomorrow you're going to do 1 question. So you're going to read Wheels of Change and you're writing about reading Google Slide. You're going to answer question 25 and 26, and don't forget to use at least 2 pieces of evidence for your writing. And then for your literary essay, we're starting over. Remember, Mrs. Harity and I decided, and Mr. Michael, that they weren't so hot and they were a little bit mixed up, so we're going to start fresh. So you'll go back to your Google Doc that's labeled with your name, literary essay number 3, and you're going to write stuff in there. Mrs. Harity wants you to reread or watch the shoes, and then she has a video that talks about how to make the introduction and how to do the first supporting paragraph. The introduction's done for you. If you zoom down, there it is. You just need to type it in. So that's done. Just type it over. And then the first paragraph, of course it's all funky. Let's see if I can bring it back. There it is. The first supporting paragraph is all about how Jeremy wants those shoes, and we know this because he shows he's motivated for them when he talks about the shoes. So that's your first sentence. You're copying over that sentence. And then you need to think of things he said or did to do that. So things like he had dreams about those shoes. He begged his grandmother for him. He talked about him with his grandmother all the time. At school, he watched the kids go up and down the hall with those shoes and was talking to classmates about him. When he's doing his homework, he's distracted about his spelling homework. He's writing and thinking about shoes. Those are the things you're going to write about today. You're not writing about going to 17,000 stores to find it. You're not writing that they didn't fit. You're not writing that he gave them to Alfie. Or not Alfie, he gave them to the friend. Those Alfie shoes that he had. None of that. You're writing about just how he thought and talked about them all the time. Okay? And then down here, you're doing the wrap-up sentence. It shows that his life is wrapped up in getting those shoes. Nothing will stop him. So you have a lot of stuff spread out for you. If you need help with the little in between, let me know. There are the things I just talked about, like the spelling test, watching the kids walk up and down, dreaming about them, asking grandma for them. I'm happy to set up sentence starters for you. If you're ready to roll, you're ready to roll. Read it aloud. I hope you're enjoying Wish Tree, and then check off Mr. B's assignments. He still says a handful of doing anything that's not good for PE. So if you're confused, let me know or send him an email, and we can figure it out. If you're ignoring it, please don't. It's for your schoolwork. If I walked you down to PE and you decided, no, I'm not doing this and walked out, that'd be a problem, okay? So do the best you can. I am here. Hopefully this video loads quickly. We will see. Okay.